porch light here. Y'all see the backdrop? I gotta show y'all the porch. You know how I go. Hey, look. Ooh. It just went away. You see that? Up. Look at that. Look, okay. Look, check this out, y'all. Basically, I want y'all to check out the kombucha. Let me know what y'all think. Again, it's my first batch, but we're gonna check it out. Here's the kombucha update. Let's go. Alright, now this is the batch that we did together, y'all. So look, check this out. This was going on. So my Scoby's down here chilling, right? And there's all kind of Scoby floaters, little ghosts or whatever, hanging around. And what they say is that that's actually a good thing. Now up top, I don't know if I can get a good look. Come on, you gotta adjust, baby. Alright, boom. So up top, you basically see that the Scoby's up top. And that right there, I was told that's yeast, but that looks crazy. I moved it around a bunch of times and it's not moldy. So we're going to go with yeast. And if you look right here, you can kind of see it's not that thick at all. Now, it's got this real peculiar smell. I haven't used the word peculiar in a while. But needless to say, they say it's healthy when it does this. And I definitely got a Scoby. So I'm probably going to leave this in for a few days. A few more days, maybe another week. And then we'll figure out how we're going to go ahead and get this carbonated and flavored. But look, y'all, that's the update, man. Porch light out, baby. I'm out. Yeah. There you